We're pan frying guanciale, a cured pork cheek, then stirring it up in hot linguine noodles with egg, Parmigiano Reggiano, and Pecorino Romano. If you're looking for a creamy, cheesy, easy to make pasta, wait until you try our very delicious linguine carbonara. Every time I serve this one pasta dish, I always get rave reviews. Plus, my friends and family are always asking me for the recipe. Today, I'm sharing that recipe with you. 4 easy steps. You're gonna be so surprised when you see how fabulous this dish is. Let's start with step number 1. It's all about a cheesy egg mixture. Carbonara is traditionally made with 2 cheeses, Parmigiano Reggiano, made from cow's milk, and Pecorino Romano, made from sheep's milk. You're going to need 1 cup of each grated. These 2 cheeses will melt and will give this dish layers of umami, a pleasant, savory taste. We're gonna mix the cheese with 3 eggs and an additional egg yolk. The eggs go into a medium-sized bowl, then add half a cup of the parm and half a cup of pecorino. We're gonna whisk everything together and set it to the side. Step 2. Traditionally, carbonara is made using guanciale, which is a cured, seasoned pork cheek. Let's say you can't find that, just use a thick cut smoked bacon. I was able to find guanciale at a local Italian deli. I'm cutting the meat into 1/4-inch cubes. Quantity is about a cup. If more makes it into the skillet, hooray. Now it's over to that skillet, moderate high heat. I'm melting 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm gonna swirl it in the pan. Next, I'm adding 1 clove of garlic. It's peeled then smashed with the flat of a knife together with a 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes. That butter will take on a wonderful spiced garlic flavor. We're gonna add the guanciale and we're gonna cook it in the skillet until the fat melts away and the edges get slightly crispy. It'll take about 8 minutes. While the guanciale is cooking away, let's move on to step number 3, time to cook our pasta. I'm using a gorgeous long linguine, about 1 pound of dried pasta. Spaghetti and fettuccine will work too. I'm taking a big pasta pot, about 16 cups of water plus 3 tablespoons of kosher salt. Bring the water to a boil, then add the pasta and we're gonna cook to al dente. Right about now, the guanciale is cooked. We're gonna spoon it into a bowl along with 2 or 3 tablespoons of those seasoned drippings. This is gonna give this pasta so much flavor. Egg mix is ready, guanciale is cooked, pasta al dente. Before we pull together our linguine carbonara, one thing we need to do, very important, grab a measuring cup. We're gonna take 1 cup of that hot pasta water out of the pot, set it to the side, and we can continue. Now our final step, andiamo. Let's stir together a fabulous carbonara. We drain the noodles and transfer them back into the pot. The pot goes over to our work surface where we have all of the elements for this dish standing by. So we add the guanciale and the drippings, stir them in. Then we're adding about 1/2 cup of that hot pasta water, followed by that cheesy egg mixture. Work quickly. We're stirring swiftly to melt the cheese and to cook the eggs, but in the process, we've actually created a glorious, rich, creamy sauce. Now you can add a bit more pasta water if you like your sauce thinner, or add a bit more of the remaining Parmigiano and Pecorino if you like a thicker sauce. First time I made this dish, I remember looking down into the pot and going, wow. The second big wow happened when I served it. Where we're twirling those noodles into soup plates or pasta bowls, we're adding a bit of extra guanciale and sauce from the bottom of the pot. Then sprinkles of our 2 cheeses. How about some chili flakes, a sprinkle of freshly chopped parsley, and then to finish, some black pepper. Who's ready to twirl? Wait, before I do that, how about a reminder? The full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. Please subscribe to our website when you're visiting. You can find this recipe and many more on our dedicated YouTube channel. Please subscribe to it as well. And then take a picture of our linguine carbonara when you make it. Post it on your favorite socials. Just make sure you hashtag Weekend at the Cottage when you do on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Now we're twirling away and enjoying linguine carbonara. What do we say up here in cottage country? This is incredibile. Enjoy. Sure is. Beauty.